Welcome to this video, where we break down 10 proven steps to earn money, whether online or offline. If you've been looking for practical and actionable ways to build wealth, this guide is for you. Stay tuned till the end, as step number 10 might completely change your financial future. Step 1. Identify your skills and strengths. The first step to making money is understanding what you're good at. Everyone has skills, whether it's writing, designing, coding, teaching, or even selling. Identify your strongest skill, and that will be your gateway to earning. Step 2. Choose a money-making method. Once you know your strengths, pick a money-making method that fits. You can earn through freelancing, starting a business, investing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or even traditional jobs. Your choice depends on your skills and resources. Step 3. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential. Whether you choose social media, YouTube, a website, or LinkedIn, create an engaging profile that highlights what you offer. This helps attract clients, customers, or employers. Step 4. Start small and gain experience. You don't need a huge investment to start making money. If you're freelancing, start with small gigs. If you're selling products, begin with a low-cost inventory. The goal is to learn, build confidence, and improve your skills. Step 5. Master marketing and networking. Earning money isn't just about having skills, it's also about knowing how to market yourself. Use social media, word of mouth, and networking platforms to connect with potential clients, employers, or business partners. The more people know about your service, the more opportunities you get. Step 6. Diversify your income streams. One of the secrets of successful people is having multiple sources of income. Don't rely on just one method. If you have a job, try freelancing or investing on the side. If you're a business owner, explore new product lines or digital services. Step 7. Learn financial management. Making money is one thing, but managing it wisely is another. Save a portion of your earnings, invest smartly, and avoid unnecessary expenses. The key is to grow your wealth instead of just spending it. Step 8. Stay consistent and keep learning. Success doesn't happen overnight. Whether you're working a job, freelancing, or running a business, consistency and learning are key. Keep upgrading your skills, stay updated with trends, and never stop improving. Step 9. Scale up your efforts. Once you start earning, look for ways to scale up. This could mean hiring more people, automating processes, increasing your prices, or expanding your reach. Growth leads to more money, so always think about the next level. Step 10. Leverage passive income streams. The ultimate goal is to make money while you sleep. This means investing in stocks, real estate, digital products, or businesses that generate income without requiring daily effort. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. There you have it. 10 proven steps to earning money. Which step are you going to apply first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this with someone who needs it. See you in the next video.